Hello everyone, I am here to give a presentation on topic greedy method and job sequencing with deadlines. Before starting our presentation, my name is Chaitanya Moik and I am TYCSE student of Annasab Dange College, Ashta. So, what is greedy method? Greedy method is one of a strategy for solving problem, just like a divide and conquer and others. Greedy method is one of approach to solve a problem. Greedy method or greedy algorithm follows the optimal choice at each stage with intent of finding global optimum. In other words, we find the best solution from the present to many solutions. Let's understand about the greedy method with an example. If I want to travel from location A to location B, or I have covered this journey, so lots of resources are present to cover this journey. First is by walk, second is by bus, third is by train, and last one is by plane. But if the condition is to reach a destination in 10 hours, so we cannot select first two options, that is by walk and by bus. So we can select our solution either by train or by plane. These are the this is our the feasible solutions. In greedy method, we think about the minimum cost or maximum cost. So in that particular problem, we think about minimum amount or minimum cost. So we select the minimum cost that is by train. This is our optimal solution. So the greedy algorithm is used to solve the problem of optimization. Before optimization, we see what is a feasible solution. The solution we satisfy the condition in a given problem statement. In problem statement, condition is a 10 hours. So train and plane satisfy the condition. So these are our the feasible solution. What is the optimal solution? The solution which is already feasible solution and give the minimum cost. In our case, the train and plane is our feasible solution and train is optimal solution because it give a minimum cost. So what is optimization? Optimization of problem is a problem which required either minimum result or a maximum result. To solve a optimization problem, three we use dynamic programming, green method, and branch bounds. An optimization of problem is one in which you want to find not just a solution, but it is the best solution for that problem. So, example of greedy method. If we want to travel from A to B, so we select first from we start our journey from A. So there is a three way to go B. So in problem statement, if the condition is to require a minimum cost to reach a destination, so we select node P by value is 5. Then from P, two ways are goes to B. So the condition is 2. Condition is to reach a destination with minimum cost. So we select the node Q with value 2. Then we select the node R. And finally, there is only one node or only one way to go B. So we select this node or we go to the B. So let's see about or let's see the greedy algorithm. In the greedy algorithm, we pass a input. Greedy greedy method says that problem solved in each stages. In each stage, we consider one input from a given problem. One input from a given problem. So here A is a input for the given from the given problem, and n is a maximum deadline for the problem. So first we initialize the solution is equal to null, because no one solution present in our solutions. So we travel from input from 1 to n and select the one input and store into x, and we see if x is a feasible solution, then add into solution. So by including feasible inputs, we will get the optimal solution. These are the applications of greedy algorithm. We see the job sequencing application. So what is job sequencing with deadline? The sequencing of jobs on the single processor with deadline constraint is called as job sequencing with deadline. The problem state: how can the total profit be maximized if only one job can be completed at a time? So we assume that to solve the problem, this is a uniprocessor and 1 unit of time to execute one job at a time. No preemption in the problem. So greedy algorithm with job sequencing. Greedy algorithm is adopted to determine how the next job is selected for an optimal solution. The step 1 is sort all jobs in decreasing order of their profit. Step 2, to check the value of maximum deadline. Draw a Gantt chart where maximum time on Gantt chart is the value of maximum deadline. And the last step is the pick up jobs one by one. Put the jobs on Gantt chart as far as possible from zero, ensuring that the jobs get completed before its deadline. So let us take an example to clear the job sequencing with deadline using greedy method. So this is our problem statement or problem table. So step 1, sort all the given jobs in decreasing order of their profits. This is our updated table. Step 2, to find out the maximum deadline. And in this particular problem, the phi is the maximum deadline. So we draw Gantt chart with maximum time on Gantt chart is a phi. Now we can take a job one by one and place it into Gantt chart. So we first take J4 and its deadline is a 2. So we place it in the first cell before deadline 2. So it is placed in the second block. Next we take a job J1 and the deadline of J1 is 5. So we place it in the first empty cell before deadline 5. So it is placed into the fifth cell. Then we take a job J3. The J3's deadline is 3. So we place it into empty cell before the deadline 3. Then we select the job J2 and we place it into before deadline 3. But here already the J3 is occupied this cell. So we see the left side of J3. Then J4 is occupied here. So we again see the left side of the J4. So there is an empty cell. So we place it into first cell. Then we take a job 5 and its deadline is 4. So we place it to the before deadline 4. Now the only job is left is J6 whose deadline is 2. All the slots before deadline 2 are already occupied. That's why the job J6 cannot be completed. So to obtain the maximum profit, we need to follow this order of optimal schedule. This is J2, J4, J3, J5 and J1. So maximum earned profit is 919 unit. Advantages of the greedy method. The greedy method is easier to implement. It is much less computing resources. They are much faster to execute, and greedy algorithms are used to solve optimization problems. Disadvantages of greedy algorithm is sometimes when we find a local optimal solution, it is not a global optimal solution. But in other hand, even when the optimal global optimal solution is not reached, most of the times the reached suboptimal, that is a local optimal solution or suboptimal solution, is very good solution. So greedy method is good for problem solving in a real life. Thank you.